In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy section. Then scroll down again and tap on Privacy. Following that, hit Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features to manage it. Then tap on one of your apps. Click on one of those options or select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those for this app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!